Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to scan an iPhone and save as PDF. Scanning documents on your iPhone is an easy way to create digital copies without using a separate scanner. The built-in Notes app automatically captures documents and saves them in a format that can be shared or stored. You can also save your scanned document as a PDF for easier sharing, printing, or archiving. To begin, open the Notes app on your iPhone. Create a new note or open an existing note. Tap the attachment button, paperclip icon, or the camera button, depending on your iOS version. Choose Scan Documents from the available options. Place your document on a flat surface with good lighting. Hold your iPhone above the document until it is detected automatically. Or tap the shutter button to scan it manually. Adjust the document corners if needed to capture the entire page. Tap the Keep Scan to save the scanned page. Scan additional pages if your document has more than one page. Tap Save to finish scanning the document. Open the scanned document and the note and tap the Share button. Choose Print from the sharing options. Use a two-finger pinch-out gesture on the print for view to open it as a PDF. Then tap the Share button again and choose Save to Files. Select your preferred folder in the Files app, then tap Save to store the scanned document as a PDF. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.